Welcome to the next eAcademy episode dedicated to the wireless systems. Today we will show you how to check the level of the radio signal that arrives at the wireless device from the controller and at the controller from the device in the planned installation location before installing the device. For this purpose, we will use the ARF100 radio signal level tester and a diagnostic tool available in the DLoadX program. What do we need to do it? A PC computer with Windows operating system, a USB RS converter for connecting to the computer, the DLoadX program that can be downloaded free from our website, an Integra control panel, in this case the Integra 24, an ACU 270 controller, a wireless device, in this case the ATD100 wireless temperature sensor, and the ARF100 radio signal level tester. We have deliberately omitted discussing how the device is connected and the process of its identification, as these steps were discussed in previous episodes. Instead, we will explain how to prepare the ARF100 radio signal level tester for range tests. To start with, let's add the device to the ACU 270 controller. To do this, run the DLoadX program. In the main menu of the program, click on the System and Hardware Structure icon. This will open the Structure window. Select the Hardware tab. In the structure of the system devices, open the list of devices added to the Expansion Modules bus and choose the ACU 270 controller. Click on the New Device button. A new device window will open. Enter the tester's serial number in it. It should be remembered that every ARF100 tester has the same number, 0000500. According to the command that will be displayed in the window, use the button to turn on the tester. When its serial number and name are displayed in the appropriate fields, click the OK button to confirm the read data. According to the program's command, perform identification of the expansion modules. To do this, click on the Identification button. Confirm the changes entered in the control panel Data Comparison Right window. Now you can proceed to check the level of radio signals. Turn on the tester. Use the button to select how the wireless device simulated by a tester is to be powered. The red LED indicates what type of device it is. When on, it indicates simulation of the operation of devices powered from batteries. When off, the tester is simulating the operation of devices powered from external sources. We choose simulation of the operation of battery-powered devices. In the DLoadX program, choose the ACU 270 controller from the list of the system devices. In its Settings configuration window, click on the Test Mode button. Pressing the Test button changes the display level of the signal received by the controller from the tester, the LED is flashing, to the level of signal received by the tester from the controller, the LED is on. The signal level is always refreshed during polling, which is indicated by one short beep. If the signal level is to be updated more often, the dense polling mode must be switched on. To activate it, press and hold down the corresponding button for longer than 3 seconds. The tester will remain in this mode as long as the button is pressed. In the dense polling mode, the information about the level of radio signal is refreshed every 2 seconds. At the moment of updating the radio signal level, the tester will generate 2 short beeps. The level of the signal received by the device or controller must not be lower than 40%. If the radio signal level is too low in the planned installation location, a different place should be chosen. Sometimes all you have to do is to move the device some 10 to 20 centimeters to get a significant improvement in signal quality. Do not install the device permanently until the radio signal level you get is optimal. You can also verify the level of the signal arriving at the controller from the device by using the DLoadX program. To demonstrate how you do this, we will use the ATD100 wireless temperature detector. To do so, open the Data menu in the DLoadX program and select the Structure and Hardware command. This will open the Structure window. In order to present the signal level, the previous enrolled ATD100 detector will be used. We will not describe how the detector is to be enrolled in the controller, as we have already discussed it in one of the previous episodes. In the DLoadX program, click on the appropriate button. A window will open showing the level of signals received by the controller from the wireless devices. Select the required device from the available tabs. In our case, it will be the ATD100 temperature detector. As long as the window is open, the program will collect the radio communication data that can be written to disk. The data file can later be opened in the same window. Closing the window will stop logging of the data about signal level from the individual devices. Wireless device communication can be presented in the form of two types of graph: a bar chart, detailed, and a line chart, long-term. The graph shows the level on a scale from 0 to 100% as well as the time scale. On the line chart, you can see two levels of interference: the average level, presented in navy blue, and the maximum level in light blue. The green color represents the level of the signal received from the ATD100 detector. Also, in this case, the level of signal received by the device or controller must not be lower than 40%. It should also be remembered that at least 20% difference between the level of the signal from the detector and the average interference level must be maintained. If in the band used by the ABAX system, other radio devices are operating that interfere with the system performance at a level exceeding 60%, installation of devices included in the ABAX system is not recommended. And that's all for today. Thank you for your attention. We invite you to watch subsequent E Academy episodes. See you soon.